Hello and welcome back to another video. As you can see in front of you, this is the stuff that I'm going to be using for this nail design, and this is all stuff apart from the black gel polish that I got from the nail art subscription box from Charmed. And so yeah, I'm starting off with the black nail polish. And now I'm going in with this beautiful rose gold pinky cat eye from Charm Gel that was just really nice. Um, and doing the same on the other finger. And I used the magnet to create a swirl on both nails, and I wanted the swirl going opposite ways from each other. So once all that is cured, on the middle finger, I'm going to go in with some of that really pretty pink glitter from the box. And on the thumb, I'm going to be going in with some of the nail foil that I also got from the box on the thumb. So I'm just putting down some base coat for the glitter to stick to. And we're going to sprinkle that all over the nail. And then we are going to go in with our nail foil glue on the thumb, put a nice coat of that on, and we are going to cure both of them then for 1 minute. And you want to make sure when you're using like the nail foil glues or gels or anything that you're getting all of the whole of the nail. Make sure you get the sides, the top, the bottom. And then you just push the nail foil on, give it a nice rub. I like to use one of these little silicone tools because I can get it right in close up and around my cuticles without actually hurting myself, and it just gives it a much cleaner look. And you don't hurt yourself with it because, as you can see, it's spendy. So yeah, if you like to do nail foils, I would invest in one of them little nail tools. And this is what we are looking like, and I think it is looking super duper cute. So now we're going to go in with some charms and stuff, and off to the side you can see like these little coloured balls that I bought. I actually don't end up using, well, I tried using them, it didn't work out, it was a whole thing. But the final design doesn't actually have them in, so I'm just going in with some different baby pink shaped sequins, little gems, just to sort of make it a nice little curve going up the side of the nail. And I'm just, looking for the right colour that I want because it was a mixed pack with multiple colours that came in the box. And then I'm just doing the exact same thing on the first nail on the pointer nail, obviously just going in the opposite direction. Now, this was the first design I tried to come up with using these little balls that I said did not work out. I've just left it in to show you, I do mess up. And I've just gone with a much simpler design using the chunky charms. And I think it looks really nice. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the thumb, but using black instead of pink. And yeah, here is the final design. I think it came out really nice. Yeah, I super duper like it. And as you can see, apart from the charms and the glitter nail, it is all in matte, which gives a really cool look. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I hope you all have a wonderful day.